Ever notice how residents sometimes feel like their board and management company are living in some kind of ivory tower? When homeowners feel disconnected, rumors start flying, resentment builds up, and before you know it, your community's dealing with unnecessary conflict. But here's the thing, it doesn't have to be that way. Let's face it, in managed communities, there's naturally going to be some division of roles. The board sets up the strategy and the management company puts it into action. Makes perfect sense on paper, right? But in reality, this setup can create a pretty serious perception gap with the people you're trying to serve. What's surprising is that many residents don't even understand they have a board of volunteer neighbors. They mistakenly think they're run by a management company like an apartment complex. Putting a human face on the board and showing residents that board members are community owners, just like them, can calm many frustrations before they even start. Today we're sharing 3 proven strategies that we've seen successful boards use to bridge this communication divide and build real trust with their residents. Sure, written notices and emails have their place. They're great for documentation, but let's be honest, they often create misunderstandings. The tone gets lost, context disappears, and residents end up filling in the blanks themselves, usually not in your favor. That's why most successful community boards are embracing video messaging. It's amazing what a simple 60-second update from the board president can do. Something as straightforward as explaining the reasoning behind a special assessment or a policy change can prevent weeks of community backlash. Your management company should really be helping you with this, guiding you on creating these messages and getting them out through your community portal, email, or even just simple text links. You know what's interesting about community communication? Not everything needs to be a digital or technology-based solution. Keeping a foot in the analog world is actually critically important to connecting with residents. Sometimes it's the simplest, most traditional solutions that work best. Take frame signs at community entrances, for example. They're inexpensive but incredibly effective as communication tools. And honestly, many boards completely overlook them. These signs can remind everyone about an upcoming meeting, maintenance schedules, or community events. What makes them so effective is that they're impossible to miss. Unlike emails that might sit unread or portal messages that require logging in, these physical touch points reach residents where they are, just coming home or leaving the community. Plus, the consistent presence reinforces that leadership is actively engaged in the community's well-being. Now, if there's one strategy that really moves the needle, it's creating structured opportunities for direct communication. When you implement a resident forum at the beginning of board meetings, you accomplish 2 really important things. First, you give homeowners a dedicated space to voice concerns before they blow up into major issues. And second, you show everyone that transparency and listening matters to your board. And those are qualities that truly define respected leadership. The key here is structure. You'll want to set clear time limits, have people register in advance, and establish some basic guidelines that keep discussions productive. A good management company will help facilitate these forums so they stay professional while making sure resident voices are genuinely heard. When you get down to it, communication isn't just about putting information out there. It's about building relationships that make your entire community stronger. By trying these 3 approaches, you can really transform how residents see both board and management. So which of these might you try first? Whatever you choose, remember that your management company should be right there with you on this communication journey, providing the guidance, resources, and supporting you every step of the way. If you found this perspective valuable, we invite you to connect with us. Facebook viewers, like our page and follow us for regular updates. Feel free to message us directly with your questions or community challenges. Instagram viewers, hit follow and feel free to DM us with your questions or community challenges. YouTube viewers, subscribe to our channel and check out the video description for helpful links. Visit our website to discover our thought leadership content, books, and resources that can transform your community management approach. Whether you're dealing with the challenges we discussed today or other community issues, we're here to help. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.